All right. So we will be learning about the short-term trading. So basically, in simple words, if I have to keep short-term trading is just like kind of things where we buy the stock and we hold it for less than a year. If we are holding it for more than a year, it is termed as long-term trading. But when we buy the stocks where we are supposed like we are going to hold it for more than a day, that is automatically like we are paying the full amount of money. Okay. Now, whatever the logics which I use or like before trading or before buying any stocks for short term or long term, okay, like keeping the fundamental things aside, in the technical thing is that the two things I'll be looking ahead for trading. Okay, so I guess everyone is aware of the price action patterns which I have taught you, right? All right. In the same patterns for short-term trading, okay, for short-term trading, we draw these patterns basically on the breakout levels, okay, or even on the pullback levels. We can go for buy side. So basically, we take the higher time frame. Higher time frame, like minimum is 1 hour. I do go for 4 hours as well. Okay. So in this time frame, I will be seeing which kind of patterns is forming. The best thing which I use is first way is that trend trading. Trend reversal basically. Okay. And then there is sideways breakout. Sideways breakout, I do not really prefer much. What I prefer the most is the trend reversal. So I look for the stocks which are in the downtrend. Okay, I look for the stocks which are in downtrend. So basically a descending channel. I'll be looking for the stocks which are in downtrend. First thing is that. Second thing is, I will be using a trend line to draw this. Okay, I will be using a trend line to draw this. Then I will be buying at a point where, like, once this is broken and if the prices have started moving upside, then can you please tell me which point we should consider to buy? कौन सा point हमें consider करना चाहिए buy के लिए? First or second? Second. Why am I getting mixed answer? It's first, not second. Are you fine? Like, are you able to recall what I have told? This is the breakout. This is the breakout. Okay, listen to me. This is the breakout. Retest is done. Prices will start moving. Like it will start going upside from here. So I'll prefer to buy at this point of time always. First thing is that. Second thing is that I generally use this method. Apart from this, like we just need to find the stocks which is in downtrend, right? Which is in downtrend, and the logic remains the same. If the breakout is coming, we will go for buy side. So right now, if I see, let's say there is a stock which is which may give us how many of you are holding this stock which is Paytm? Paytm, how many of you are holding it? Like how many of you have? So this is the time when you can invest in Paytm, by the way. Technically right now it is the point of investment. Okay, so if you see this Paytm, okay, Paytm is in downtrend. The trend is almost going, like it has got over. Okay, what we needed was a retest. Prices came at this point of time. 640 was the level of buying. Okay, 640 was the level of buying, but right now what I can see that the market has gone in the range. Okay, this is sideways market. So I will wait for a breakout. Okay, I'm going to wait for a breakout and then I will be taking the entry over here. After the breakout, I'm going to enter into this trade. So somewhere, let's say 670 I'll be entering. My target is going to be for almost like 10%, which I'll be keeping it to 740. Stop loss will be kept around 630. Okay, let's go for any kind of a stocks which is like ready for investment, like we can invest in those stocks. Even if you see this one, okay, PI Industries, you can clearly see that the market was in downtrend. Okay, market was in downtrend. The trend got over, like if you can see, market went up, then again a kind of retest happened, or you can say that the retest was done over here, 3073 itself. That is also fine. The retest was done over here. It tried to go up, but it did not. So our stop loss will be generally, I do not keep a stop loss for short-term trading. I'll tell you the reason behind that. I'll be keeping the stop loss below this, like whatever the low it had made previously, I'll be keeping my stop loss over there. Okay. And I'll keep my target to the next resistance in higher time frame. Okay. So first target will be around this level. Second target, I'll be keeping it around this level. Now you can see that it is going up side, like smoothly it is going upside, where we are looking for almost like 400 points, which means approximately 10% return. We have got it from in this month. Okay. PI Industries has given us in this one. Understood the logic of why, like how are we going to take up the trade in short-term trading? Understood, everyone? The biggest question is that how to find out the stocks which is in downtrend, right? Okay, I'll answer to that as well. See, we look up for those stocks which is in downtrend, or basically the downtrend is about to over. Once the downtrend is about to over, we will be looking for that if the market has started its uptrend, we can invest in this stock. So I'll go for some other stocks as well. Let's say we'll go for Adani Ports. Okay, so Adani Ports, if we see this, if I delete everything in Adani Ports, and if you can see this, clearly it was in downtrend from a longer period of time. Okay, first thing is that we wanted this level to give me a breakout. Let's say this level, as like we wanted to break this, breakout came, considering retest was done over here. 1814 was my buying point. My stop loss will be like once the trend got changed, I can buy around this price. Okay, from 1814 it has gone up to like 40 points, like almost 5% up it has gone. My target for this is like next target is 1880. Then I'll be having target at 926 for Adani Ports. I do not know how I missed out this one. Okay, let's go for some other stocks like ACC as well. So ACC, you can see that the market was in like a small downtrend was there. Okay, if you can see, market was in downtrend. Okay, trend, like you can see that the market went up, retesting was done. Okay, here we got the retesting done. Like you can consider these levels 2265, and it has been going upside. 2265, it has been going upside. Recently, one stock has given me a breakout, which is Pidilite Industries. So Pidilite Industries, I was waiting. Okay, the retest is also done. Bullshit here. Shit, I was waiting for this retest actually. Okay, so the market has broken this level now. Okay, and I wanted to enter around 25. I was observing this and I missed out on this actually. Okay, the retest was done over here. So 2610 was my entry point. My target will be like 2722, means almost like 5%. I'm looking for target in this stocks, which like I would be achieving it like very easily. Okay, understood now, Lata and everyone, those who were the from beginning, then not the one who joined pretty late. Understood now? When do we enter into the stock? So what stop loss and how to decide? Generally, one thing is that whenever I trade in short-term trading, I choose those stocks which are quality stocks, means either from the Nifty 50 list or those who are having good volume. Volume means the number of buying and selling is happening is more. Okay, so I choose those kind of stocks because even in a case if it goes downside, okay, even in a case if it goes downside, it will be coming up in the future. So I choose those kind of stocks. Okay, not some penny stocks. I never go for penny stocks. That report went 30 rupees up today, yes, but financials also included in short term. Definitely in financials also we have different things. So, and we are like, it's related to the fundamental aspects which we are not covering in this math. So it is going to be completely based on the technical. When to book profit in these, or till when to keep them. Basically, I like, if I have entered, let's say for any stock, considering if I have entered into this, let's say that at this level, so my target will be over here. So I'll book my target at this point of time. In a case if market is reversing, okay, and like I'll exit at cost to cost, that I'll prefer. Other thing is that I'll hold it, like even if it is going downside. Why do I hold it the short term? Okay, let's say if I have invested, let's say for an example, Havells. Havells India, breakout, retest, everything was done. We could have gone for the buy side. Now here, what we can see, market is again coming downside. So in this situation, my stop loss is over here. Okay, and I can choose to hold this stocks because I know for why I have taken the trade in this. Okay, this is a great support over here. Like market has a good support at this point of time. First thing is that. Second thing is that in a case if it is also going downside, maximum it is going to go is 1057. So I'll have two options, either to exit in loss at 1156 or hold it like till this level or anything. What I personally prefer is that if I'm entering into a short-term trading, okay, I will always exit in profit, okay, if I am not in hurry. Why? Because my stocks will be the one which has the capacity to revert back, or else if I'm investing in any kind of penny stocks or all, I'll be exiting. So recently I had invested in Havells, and I'm not sure of it whether it is going to go upside. I'm waiting for 2 more days. If it is not giving me up move, I will be exiting the trade. I won't be taking it up the risk of holding it. Okay. Now the biggest question is that how to find out the stocks which is in going to be which is in downtrend. Okay, simple calculation, we will be having it. Okay. So what happens over here? There is one indicator. Okay, please listen to this. There is one indicator which you might have heard also, RSI. Relative Strength Index. This index, people use it in intraday as well. It has like, it tells you whether the market, like it tells you about the strength of the market, whether the market is actually in uptrend, downtrend, or like it basically moves along with the candle. And then it tells you that if the stock is oversold or overbought. Okay, it tells us that as well. Now there are a lot of use of this relative strength like RSI indicator, but what I use is very simple reason. I'll go to indicator, type RSI. You can see technicals, RSI, relative strength index. I'll click on this. That's it. Now, after clicking on this, you can see this is how RSI will appear. This is how RSI is going to appear. I just need to change one settings. I'll go to the settings and I'll disable this yellow line. I will disable it because I don't really need it. Why do I need this RSI? Okay, why do I need this RSI? Just understand that thing. So if you can notice, if prices are going upside, RSI is also going up. If it is coming down, RSI is also coming down. If it is coming downside, RSI is coming down. If it is going up, RSI is also going up, right? So if it is coming downside, RSI is also going up, and after reaching, like it is in the band, it is in the band of 30 to 70. It is in the band of 30 to 70. The lowest level is 30. In between it is 50, and then the upper band is 70. So if you'll go to the settings of that, you will see that key RSI, this is the upper band 70 and lower band, which we can also change it. Okay, which we can also change it. Now, one thing you need to notice is that like any stock before giving the breakout towards upside will be coming to this 30 level. Okay, first thing is that. Second thing, if you can use your like slightly, if you're able like if you're able to cope up with what I'm going to tell you, it's not that tough to understand. Okay, you just need smart brain, smart brain as in just quick understanding of what I have told or what I'm going to tell you. Okay. So now we had a breakout around this level, which means around 50. Okay. When the RSI was 50, around 50, we had a breakout. Okay. Like, and over here, somewhere around this level, like when the market was moving towards downside, around this point of time, again at somewhere 50, we had a breakout level. Okay. So wherever the RSI is like 50, we are having a breakout. Tata Power, let's say, right now it is going upside. So we had a, like anywhere if we go and see, okay. So again, if it was going in downside, okay, we had a breakout when RSI was 50. So RSI, if the RSI is around 50, we are having a breakout. If the RSI is around 50, which means that we are having a breakout thing. So again, if you see this, there also market is going downtrend, going downside. And whenever there is a breakout, the RSI is near to 50. So means breakout is happening around 50. So what we really need to find out, one thing with the, if I will say that key, with the help of RSI, I need to find out the stocks. Can we do it? With the help of RSI, I need to find out the stocks for short-term trading. Okay. So can we do that? What do you think? So what if we use some kind of a scanners, okay, where I'll ask the scanner to give me the stock names, which where RSI, where RSI is below 50. So I might be getting those stocks. Okay, I might be getting those stocks which is about to give me a breakout, or which is like which has given me the breakout, right? Right? अरे हाँ या ना तो बोलो. It is tell yes or no. अरे यार, please analyze Wipro. Boss, you should be able to analyze it by this time, na? Why you're still like that dependent on me? Yesterday, my income was so less. I was like expecting at least 10 people to send it to me. Only one person sent it to me and I had returned him because I was like, ki chalo kuch to aata. Anyway, talking about the Wipro, we had decided, I had told people, like those who had asked me about Murat trading, I had told them to get this stock. This stock, right now, according to the strategy, like there are many short-term strategy as well. Okay. But this stock is good for long term and it is at very good price, which is available at a very good price, by the way. Okay, so that's the reason I had told people to get it. Right now, according to the technicals, it is not available, like on the verge of breakout, but we had like on the Murat trading day, like somewhere when it was around 381, I had told people to buy. And even you can enter right now and leave it for years, and the target is again whatever the high, like till here 628, almost like 70% return is the target. Now coming back to the indicator thing, sorry, the scanner thing. Which scanner will help us? Go to Google, type chart Inc. Okay, chart Inc. I won't be really repeating this indicator thing because I'll be sharing the recording so you can watch out from there. Chart Inc. First website, click over here. Okay. There is a screener. What does the screener mean? So based on whatever the understanding you have, let's say that you want to find out, let's say if I'll click on screeners, there will be there are a lot of screeners given. It's a like huge website. There is a lot of things. Okay. Let's say if there are stocks which has given 52 weeks breakout. So that stocks will be coming over here. Okay, that stock list will be coming. So the Karnataka Bank has given 52 weeks range breakout. Karnataka Bank. Okay. So you can see after like ages, it has given us a 52 weeks when it is saying it after ages, it has given us a breakout, and this breakout looks like after the breakout, market has been going like crazily, it has been going up. So there is a lot of things over here. Now I won't really suggest, like you can explore this thing, okay, but one thing is that he do not, like here it is saying that he multi-bagger stock, okay, do not think that these stocks will be multi-bagger. You have to use your own thinking as well, based on whatever the calculation they have, face value and all these things. They are saying that these are multi-baggers, okay, not necessarily they will be multi-baggers, okay. So do not spoil your brain by thinking a lot over here. What you have to do, click on, just type RSI 14 and search scans, because this is our RSI 14 indicator. There will be a lot of indicators which will be coming up. What we need to do is go like third one, RSI 14 on daily, weekly, monthly time frame. I'll click over here. This one will show me those stocks which are in the downtrend. Now this charting website takes a lot of time to understand, okay. So I'll directly give you the indication what you need to get over here. See, crossed above 70 means already the breakout has come, or maybe it would have gone upside. So we don't need that. Okay, what we need is that, let's say over here, let's say I can go for hourly candle, like 1 hour RSI, crossed number, I'm going above 30. Okay, I'm going above 30, then 1 hour RSI crossed number, let's say I'm going crossed, not crossed, it will be less than or equal to 50, means this indicator, and I'll remove this one, I can disable this one. So this indicator will tell me those stock, or give me those stocks whose RSI is in between 30 to 50. So I'll run this scan and I'm getting these list of stocks. So let's have a look. Please make sure that you're having a look on the volume. The volume should be high, like minimum, like you can go for 2 to 3 lakh rupees. Okay. The weird name, the first one. Okay. And then we have like 1, 2, 3, these three, like 1, 2, 3. Century Textiles also, we can go for it. So let's have a look on the first stock name. Weird names. So again, if you see this, so right now, if I'll over here, I guess I had planned this one 116, it has gone like 5% up, it has gone. Let's come to 1 hour time frame. And right now, if you see this one, RSI, I'll add. I just need to remove RSI based MA. That's it. Now, if you see, this stock is giving me those who are like the breakout has not yet come. It is in downtrend. Okay, it is in downtrend. The breakout has not yet come. So then other one, Century Textile. Here also the breakout like has not yet come, so I cannot find out. So what I'm going to do it over here, I'll change this number like where the trend is slightly getting changed. So I might get good stocks. So again, the volume matters. So I'll go with Globe. And this is at 4 rupees to leave this. Then again, this is a penny stock. Angel One. So let's have a look on Angel One. Right now it has already gone upside. So anyway, we cannot go for it. Then we can choose Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital is also in range. So every day the list will be getting changed. Okay, yeah. The list will be always getting changed. Scots, have a look on that. Scots is changing its trend, by the way, right now. Okay, Scots is still changing its trend. So not even this one, we can go for it. Ashok Leyland, let's have a look on that. Ashok. Okay, yeah, this is good for to go. So you can see RSI is like, even RSI will be going upside. Now we don't need to see the RSI and all. By the way, what we need to see, I'll go for 4 hours time frame to have a better view. Now see over here. Okay. Breakout, we need a retest. Like retest, it is right. So we need a candle closing, like 1 hour or 4 hours candle closing, or any day if it is closing above 148 or 149, we have a trade, and the target will go to, let's consider at 150, the target will go to 165, which is like all-time high. Okay, and we need to do a lot of multi-time frame analysis also, which we can do, which we can see like multi-time frame analysis in weekly time frame also, we can check it out. So, and the stop loss will go to 142 somewhere, we can keep a stop loss. Then let's have a look on some more stocks. Polycab. So from here, we are just going to get the stocks name, that's it. We won't be getting it anything. So as of now, it is, the RSI is not over here. Okay, I can change the RSI as well. Okay. I'll do one thing. Let's go for crossed above 50. Okay. So like this will be giving me the one which has given me the breakout. So for an example, here the stocks are PC Jewelers. PC Jewelers. This is not a good stock, by the way. As far as I remember, this has a bad fundamentals. Oh, what has happened to this? There was one point of time it was like very good, like the prices were way too good. And I have like in the initial days, I'll tell you, somewhere here I had invested at higher price. I did the same kind of trading, 257. I would have purchased and it had fallen like pretty badly. So I had to exit this. And then later on when I was seeing it was in downtrend. Now it has given us a good breakout, range breakout has given. And it has been like bumper, it is going upside. Though we cannot invest in this. PC Jewelers not. Okay, there are many options. Then we have a Steel Tech. A Steel Tech. Let's have a look in this. This is also like on the verge of giving you a breakout. Okay, so this one also, like not, if we'll go for 1 hour time frame. Yeah, on the verge of giving you a breakout. If it gives you a breakout, if it is crossing 172, then we can have a bigger target up to like wherever we can keep it. Like if the trend is getting changed. Again, we can like go for better, like we can go for 60 as well. This might give us some stocks, which is quantum papers. क्या नाम था? KUA. So this stock is as of now it is not like small, like bull flag was formed. Okay, and bull flag breakout it has given, or you can say pennant as well. So 156 buying level, we can keep a target up to 173, but I do not. Oh, like over here, this will be the point. Right now there are not much stocks which is coming up, but over here we can change the stocks and we can get the list of the stocks which is going to be which is going to come over here. Apart from this also, there is another way, is that choosing the stocks from the Nifty 50 and then going for it. Manually you can see whether it is an uptrend or downtrend. Okay, and there are a lot of indicators which you will be finding it over here, like a screeners which you'll be finding it over here. So just one thing is that do not get trapped, or not trapped actually, do not get by the number of indicators. Like you can see that profit jump by large cap stocks. Then like again, if I go for bullish for next day, which stock is bullish for next day, this will be give you the list. Whatever the fundamental, like they have kept it, Bajaj Finserv. It has moved already 4%. Aditya Birla, it has moved by 3%. In Muthoot Finance, it has moved by 1%. So these are bullish for tomorrow. So again, we need to always, like if you're going for a short, like for a trading, we need to see key in Muthoot Finance, can we take up the trade or not? It is at the resistance level. Okay, so like that. So did you understand how do we choose the stocks for short term with the help of RSI? Simple, we'll keep on changing the things over here and we'll look for it, key which one is coming into the radar. Okay. And if I'll just go for this one, I'll get those stocks which has the highest one. Let's go for latest one. So here, if I'll try the latest one, the stocks which have already given me the movement, you will be getting the list of it. So like Goa Carbon. I'm listening for the first time, by the way. Oh, you can see already the breakout has come up and it's a huge breakout and it came at the end. So here, like when you'll type K above 70, you'll be getting the list of the stocks which have already given you the movement. And there is no way that we can actually find out which, like there is no ways that we can actually find out that which are the stocks which will be giving us like 5% or 10% moves on the next day. Okay. Have you tried Trinker? Follow the portfolio of India's best investors in real time, replicate. I don't really think so that here people will be showing off their portfolios and all. Maybe those people who are showing you, they are charging some money. Had you invested in January 2021, it would be worth 7,000. Basically, anyway, like these are the way of like the things are coming up. That is also good. I do not try. I have not heard, like I'm hearing it for the first time. How RSI bandwidth values and are selected as 30, 50, and 70 one word basis. See, that is an indicator, and the person who have developed it will be having, like they have some kind of coding behind that. Okay, first thing is that you can increase this band size as well. You can increase this band size as well. Like if you'll go to the settings over here, you can increase it to 700 as well. Okay. So if you're increasing it to 700, it is going to come like this. But again, the one which has been set up by the person who have formed this indicator, the default, which we call it, I prefer to go with that. And if there is any kind of minor settings which we have to do it, then we go for it. Money control also shows the stock references. See, there are many, I'll tell you. One thing, why don't you need to follow the stocks? Okay, like this kind of preference things which is given by anyone. Let's go for some stocks like which has gone up today. PL, target price. I don't know what it is saying. So basically, there will be many, like, news channel actually, not this one news. If I see, so there are many news channel which will be suggesting you that keep buy this or buy that. Okay, and if you follow those news, you'll always get trapped. So right now, if I see stocks to buy for short term, and I just want to see some previous day. Chalo. Now see over here someone as they have given like whatever, like I'm not saying that they are right or they are wrong, but I will not prefer to go for it. Right now they have given a Maruti Suzuki, whatever the price, like Bharat Forge. Target is 980, stop loss is 845. Okay, let's see what is happening in this. On what basis they give, God knows. So they had given target stop loss when they had given on 27th October. Okay, 27th October. No way. 845, right? Stop loss was hit 27th of October. 818 they had given. Okay. Target 9, I don't know why they have kept a stop loss as 845. Maybe they have changed their just a simple thing is that if you are really following them, they might be right, they might be wrong. But I do not prefer to follow any of the convictions. If they are giving, let's say, if they have, let's say today, if I'm getting expert says to buy or sell 6 short-term trading ideas over here, if I'll go and see what the stock has given a flag pattern breakout, good for me. IRCTC, I'll go for it. Okay, IRCTC flag pattern breakout, fine. That's a good trade to go for it. Like I can go for at 753 or I could have gone for 748. Okay, then let's say other stock, they have given LTI, the stock has given flag. This stock has given rounding bottom pattern. This is another pattern breakout. Okay. So if they are anyone like if telling me the reason that why should I buy this stock, okay, then I'll go for it, or else I will not prefer to go for it. LTI, if I say it had like we had an entry according to what I taught you is around like 4, 5, 6 minutes. So always understand one thing is simple thing is that believe in yourself rather than believing in news or any other thing. Okay, that is something like it's good to know the fundamentals of the stocks. Like fundamentals are a totally different concept, which again we are not covering in the Smat classes. Okay, let me know if you have got any doubts. Tomorrow we are going to have class at 8 o'clock and we will be understanding about option chain data and option hedging strategy. Like I have combined 2 classes in one. Okay, so tomorrow you'll be having class at 8 p.m. option hedging strategy and option chain data. Multi-bagger, the stock prices who goes from like 10 rupees to 100 rupees. Is this only applicable for downtrend? As in, if you're talking about the screener, then no, it is not nothing like that. You can find the stocks which is up in uptrend as well. Super indicator. Penny stock basically less than 10 rupees, 20 rupees. We will not be for this is what I have given you is the EMA. That's it. You won't be learning more than not anything else. Shrinker is one of the finest app. They do invest with you in the same portfolio and I have gained good returns through that. They help you out with some stock suggestions as well. I have no idea on that. Yes, you'll be learning tomorrow. iPhone 20 Max Pro. No, the RSI works only on downtrend stock, or we can apply it on. No, you can apply for long like uptrend as well. RSI we can use in intraday. Can we also can also give good indication? Yes, RSI can be used for intraday as well. But again, I do not use RSI much for intraday or anything. Though in PTM, there will be class on RSI as well. Okay, that I will not be taking it up. Like in PTM also, I do not take. So regarding option strategy, there is one strategy based on RSI. The candlesticks pattern you said yesterday about the 4 remaining candlesticks pattern. There are, I guess, okay. I don't need to try it out first. Price action, different types of candles. Which strategy will be learning more? Strategies are over. Okay, I'll tell you the class schedule now. Strategies are over. It's all done and dusted. Whatever you are like, see, do not complicate yourself. Okay. Today in the Smat, that active group I had given PVR. How many of you had analyzed? From the point I had given, after 20 minutes, there was a breakout. And that today is the last day I had given you the stocks. Right. So understand, प्रीति, मैंने आपका आंसर दिया, price action in different types of candles. Okay, there are two types of trade in the PVR. We could have taken it up. In a case, if this would have formed a reversal trade, we could have gone for reversal trade. Okay, but that had given us a breakout towards like a breakout towards upside. So after that, it has been going upside. Okay, the simple thing, like, keep the things very simple. Do not learn so many things that you will be confused, that you do not really know that what you have to like which one you should like accept it. I don't know whether you're able to hear me or not. 1 minute. Yeah, the video is paused because the camera is dead. So do not try to get into so many things, so many strategy. Okay, whatever in the PTM also we will be teaching you, everything will be related to like price action in itself, and it is going to be kind of in depth. Okay, so you just keep the thing simple. Take one strategy which I have taught you and make it like practice it. Things will be better. Okay. Chalo, that's all from my end, guys. Bye. Good night. Take care, and code for the class will be that's all from my end, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ritik Roshan is saying bye to Kangana Ranawat. प्रीति गुप्ता दोपहर में नहीं दिया ना कोड नहीं. Okay, Gaurav. Yes, Rahul. Fatima, I'll suggest you to try from your end by trading in one with one quantity so that you can understand. Okay. Chalo. Bye, guys. Good night. I just use EMA. That's it, Darshan.